Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add transaction or processing fees on your quotes or invoices if you accept credit cards. So first thing you would do here is go into settings and add a line item called either processing fee, transaction fee, whatever it is you want to label it. So I have one already created here called processing fee. If you don't have one created, you just go to add line item, put a label, you can put a description if you want, and then just put a price. Now the price doesn't really matter because this will change. In this example, I just have $10. So next step here, now first step is when you build out a quote. So let's say I have one queued up here, EV charger install, $1,200. And now on this item, you can see it's $1,200 with the not including taxes, total $1,356. So first thing you have to determine is what it is you want to charge as a processing fee. Usually, kind of keep it standard, whether it's 3%, 4%. So let's just use 4% as an example. So 1356 times 4% is 54.24. So what I would do is add another line item with that processing fee, and I'm going to change the price to 54.24 because that's 4% of the total. Now, one thing to note here is when you're adding that processing fee line item, remove the tax. Right? Because you don't want to charge tax on a processing fee. So you remove that tax like so, and that's it. So now that updates the total with the processing fee. Now, one thing to note here, which I would strongly suggest, is in your notes, terms and exclusions, terms and conditions in your quote and invoice for that matter, I would add some language in here saying along the lines of processing fee is removed if you're paying by another method, right? So something like that. Now, which you can edit in the settings as well. So that's it. So there's the quote, processing fees there. You proceed, and I'm just gonna create this or approve it rather, so you can see the next step on the invoice. Okay, so now assuming this quote now got approved, it became a job. So we're gonna go into the job here. So now you're going to see in the line items, you're going to see two line items, processing fee and EV charger install, the main line item. So now two things are going to happen here. You're either going to send an invoice and the client is going to pay by credit card. In that case, you're going to just invoice both the line items, EV charger install, here's your processing fee, send it to the client, and away you go. Now, second scenario is the client's going to reach out to you and say, hey, I'm going to pay by cash or check or another method. Can you remove the processing fee? So in that case, you simply would just go into your job here, go into line items, and delete the processing fee. And that's it. So it will be removed. And then you can just invoice the client accordingly without the processing fee. And away you go. Now, one thing just to be mindful of, if you do have Stripe integrated to accept credit card payments, when you're sending the invoice, just simply remove this pay online button so they don't have the option to pay online. And that's it. So that is the multi-step process here. It's very simple once you have the structure set up, but hopefully this video helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.